Getzner Textil AG was established in 1818 as a family company. Headquartered in Bludenz Vorarlberg, the company, with 1,350 employees, is currently one of the globally leading manufacturers of clothing damasks, fashion fabrics and technical textiles. Manufacturing a textile requires several individual production steps, which, in principle, require large amounts of energy, water and chemicals. Getzner Textil AG has made it its mission to implement the best possible solution for our customers and the environment in every individual step. The manufacturing process begins with the thread in the yarn dyeing plant. The yarn is pre-treated, dyed and dried. There is even a very high level of automation, and all of the devices are equipped with heat recovery systems. In the second step, the yarn goes to the weaving plant. First, the yard spools are wound onto a warp beam in the warping area. Then, each warp thread is encased in the sizing area prior to further size processing. Today, we have the most modern technology available in the form of a sizing box. This technology has allowed us to reduce the fleet to be drained by 90% per batch. After the sizing area, the threads are woven together using the most modern looms. These work at the highest efficiency level. In 2001, a remote heating grid was constructed for the recovered process heat from the compressed air station and the steam boiler, and has been successfully operated since. The total heat yield into the grid is approximately 6.2 gigawatt-hours per year. Around 3.2 gigawatt-hours per year are used internally. Raw goods are stored in a fully automated high-rack warehouse, in which the textile is sorted by robots for further finishing. Then the textile runs through the so-called piece dyeing plant. First, using the piece plastering machine, coarse contamination is removed from the textile with brushes. Then the singeing unit burns protruding fibers from the textile. In addition, the piece dyeing plant, there are open-width washing machines and a hot flue for dyeing the textiles. During the mercerization process, the textile is treated with sodium hydroxide, which makes it easier to dye the textile and results in increased durability and a silk-like shine. Since the beginning of the 70s, Getzner Textil AG has operated a lyre recovery plant, which reduces the need for fresh lyre and in turn optimizes energy consumption. Then, the textile is transported to the finishing area. Depending on the customer requirements, the textile runs through different stations here. Among other things, different fleets are mounted on the so-called tensioning frame, set along the width and fixated. A biofilter system is used for cleaning the tensioning frame exhaust air. Then the sandfortization process is performed with dry heat in the direction of the warp in order to stabilize the entry point. Big investments were made in the exhaust air cleaning and exhaust air heat recovery systems. Based on the high level of automation, the processes are highly efficient. All of the processes and portable water is supplied via 2 internal plant well systems. When the textile has run through the process steps, it is transported to the final layering inspection and shipping. The textile is subject to an additional manual inspection using viewing tables. Depending on the customer's wishes, the textile is then rolled or doubled. With the Getzner Group's own hydroelectric power plants, more power is generated than the company needs per year. Thus, Getzner contributes significantly towards making Vorarlberg energy independent. Exclusively natural gas is used as an energy source for process heat. The textile waste per kilogram of production was reduced by 36% in 3 years. The recognition for our dedication is also reflected in our certificates. We are proud to comply with and sometimes exceed the strict criteria of Bluesign, Öko-Profit and Öko-Tex. Sustainability is not just a trendy word at Getzner Textil AG, but is also a prerequisite for decades of activity.